Hello, my name is Munza from Embedded Automations, and today we are with our partners and manufacturers iHome Life, and today I want to show you some amazing products. From here we have TV boxes, smart home projectors, and we have a cinema projector. This is brand new and you are seeing it here first. It's a 1000 lumen 4K with very good image fidelity. It's a projector you can use for your home cinema, for your office. You need to see the picture, very crisp and very nice. If you want it, you can have it from our store. And then we have this, a rechargeable projector. If you like to watch football in a bigger screen, you can get this and travel with it. You can use it as a home TV if you care, 720p, 300 lumens, and you can use them for that. Then one of the product I'm very excited about is this amplifier, 600 watt, 300 watt per channel. It comes with 2 microphones, so you can use them in church. And then it has an inbuilt smart TV, as you can see on the screen. It has all the features you need for your entertainment, in your club, in your mini bar, at home, or in a small church. You can use this to stream video and watch live service broadcasted on the screen while getting an amplified music that can come out through the speakers. So here we have a 150 watt, they come in PS, so it's 300 watt speaker, and under here we have 600 watt speakers. They come in PS. So if you're interested in this product or any other product, feel free to give us a call. We are here at your service, and we have amazing iHome products for you. Thank you.